Kim ta jai kathar koi krelu alama bangke. Logical sedami mati. Lasi langsung menit ke anti development. Langsung jai kathar ko bangke anti development. Putia lang like nona bangke time pass apan si lahya kam claim ba. Aprang sakuri claim mut ke councilor long secretary nang claim long mati. Nili tumta dam lo. Pena akam nang claim pitao kathar sangu prote. Ini sakuri du ni siksakji. Non ke sakuri pension dam joilo. Siksak sedel lah, lasi time pass apan lah. Non join torong pitum dia supu apan, cubai pens tame, council pale nako. Biren sing ingti non forcing ingti non, asumar apan elected paman unang popu kamathar son hai. Lajai kathar thalan lo, cubai pens ta, council le nako. Pula si nominated anta kecohang dam lo puke karjulong ateng ekwan hok lo ne. Nominated ta chuang nam lo pule BJP tumlo nan ka thera ke molite a principal ideology ave pinno election illegal puta ke pu ako election ta pathu do voter list chok che ni tume kroi kre puta ke pu lang sa voter list pen sialang tum bangke ako election ka pathu do lan cho ta kalela nomination file lo plote semedeng nai bu nale tum nomination ke file lang ma joga candidate ta me semedeng nai ne la bangsa constitution of kroilu halang so bang file dengen lo mati jai kathar ta APHLC candidate ke duanta ende voter list chok che constitution are rules frame free puke nalo la senon la hai ka do ya kan tame jai kathar bang ke rat along vote ka chupang room ye pan si claim chot la senon ke claim nang ya bang ke councilor rules tame non ASDC pen si claim nang ko la senil tum election manifesto long du ke di itum election manifesto long du councilor rules tame ASDC pen si high low claim po. Jadi election manifesto do isi alam itu kan tunggu median. Ini alam apa ke? Kaidak karbi kalidat tumpanan ke kicie so bongo sena pulok segi pul. Te bongo sena pulang lagi pudam ke Bengali tumpan. Te jai kata rahya masor ke Bengali pi kali ma bongo sena kali malah. Langsung alam tarjun tunggu. Lapen asupu kacipangri jai kathar asupu arkoi ingti kathar kacipangri 25 April 2017 laki invitation letter lo jai kathar ku se chitok lo ahe masor bangta onjuli ingti kathar ku se chitok lo karbiarona teng choma chok chema karbia jutang teng la
as per customary
karbia customary law teng choma chok chema la jai kathar manle arjuda mut bang chok pan arjuda ne APHLC leader manle arjuda mut laki invitation letter lo latanang lituma pam a media a house tin panta ipak tak nang pilu lasi lata nang litum paklang poni tha print tha lata antar ke alang tumar ni sihat dharna dulu election a result lang tapi illegal pusi dharna longta tipu hadak signboard kali banner ta illegal pusi illegal election pute jai kathar APHLC tumko pisi kitur dunlonte how can they call that election illegal when APHLC is contesting this very election a logic kunadlo APHLC lapen jai kathar atun while denying tickets to a number of genuine members. In the second place, the money and administrative power of the ruling dispensation propelled them to massive victory, which is not only unprecedented but is also not at all a healthy sign for democracy, as the present council is oppositionless government. There was a vulgar display of money to lure the voters in the whole election process. As a result of the victory of the BJP, problems that are connected with the common people will increase manifold, and both Congress and APHLC have extended helping hands to the ruling dispensation by refusing to put in united fight as appealed by the ASDC. In the third place, since the beginning, APHLC has been saying that they would not contest election till new rules of the council are framed, and the names of non-tribals are deleted from the electoral roll, and further, separate electoral roll are prepared. But with the election drawing near, their leaders could not resist the lure of power and money and kept non sarkar ke wang abangke amithanga chakong pasa baktulo meni sta amithanga chakong bankan akenang sot alama bangke opposition party atum chingrum nang ASDC hin pen kamatha utha APHLC la pen congress tum manchi kroy dundede langso potsi latum ki haichot penangana consensus ge latum pakni pakhom se ge ki hai mati ilong abangke suru pathar 192 ne 98 same lo phulunita paro phole le bodak la se lahaya consensus long ke yong si opposition atum chingrum the ka sonte hai de che phul opposition atum BJP tum rende che phul stanona phini latum investigate lo ke thek dam long abangke APHLC atum Arlo BJP and relation theta arnisi tarabasa lens are result of putak APHLC leader atum tarabasa ke dama uta langsa putak press tum arjulobon rokom ne liga matha lasi Arlo latum relation thepi lapenala tuliram rohang CM abang chipukong lo nitum APHLC phana cheki bomlo lasi nang litum aphan pini nel tum documents na pilo photo a media house ti aphan ta langsa photo nel tum pilo lake 30 July 30 June council election are result klang de philo jai kathal BJP leader tuziram rohang pan ke chetong da atha ka bang ke BJP apan un aning tonpo Arlo bang ke BJP pen handshake chatakali sonsuri akam ke claim ya phanta atum claim election. It is pertinent to mention that during the filing of nomination paper, all candidates cutting across party lines have to take an oath of affirmation before the returning officer that the contesting candidate, that the they will solemnly and firmly will abide by the Constitution, which means that they have accepted the voter list they have rejected earlier. The APHLC have even failed to release its election manifesto. But the sordid aspect of electoral politics is that some people still voted for the parties who did not even have election manifesto. In respect of the oath taking of the elected members of the recently concluded Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election, the ASDC would like to bring to the concern of all that, as per the MOU of 1995, which calls for defining the relationship between the council and the governor, and also defining the role of governor in the functioning of the Autonomous Council of Karbi Anglong and Di Mahasau, and that in 1996, paragraph 20 BB and paragraph 20 BA, the sixth schedule was amended. In spite of the electoral debacle, the movement for an autonomous state will, however, continue with new spirit and new vigor. The ASDC had faced similar defeat in the past also, but that could not derail the autonomous state. But that could not derail the movement, and it will go on till it is achieved. Sanjay Keling, Finance Secretary, ASDC. Daniel Teron, Publicity Secretary, ASDC. Autonomous State Demand Committee a base ka capture ya panchot ki mati. Langso panchot. Langso autonomous state movement ka phalang no panchot. Lasi autonomous state ta latum ki hang kusinon Kaningje lo. Sta memorandum piniar ni ipak ka pipelang. Jia hala angtong inti ka thara phanta release nahi pulo lata memorandum impact ave dharnar ni ta memorandum ave mati DC apanta me chief minister apanta me CM apanta me governor apanta me memorandum pinai mati even la voter list laya putha kanta memorandum impact ave autonomous state aisu alama bangke api alam lasi ratapan kapamang huakam lok si la GI kathara bangke diklaim lang so lama bangsi militum Kaningje kangtung pini lanang highlight kita lapen ratapan da chuning rilo sik sigil la puthak voter list la puthak non tribal apan voter list long ban amyan ke thanjia puthak non tribal apan longle patap pinang ne puthak jai kathar ratapan kapachu bayalama bang kroi dunang ni aku tumi alamar julong ne loge flyover da kroi ke pukok pe development matila a town pen chiton tenon sta isi developmental scheme lo di put town lo yong se flyover kibi ke kroi kre. The APHLC failed to put up pressure upon KACC to frame new rules of the council, though the party was armed with the verdict of Guwahati High Court. The party also did not make an attempt to file contempt of court knowingly or unknowingly. In the beginning, APHLC have said that they would not allow non-tribal to contest election. But now, forget about this allowing non-tribal to contest election. The party has started making honeymoon with AJP. In the fourth place, soon after the declaration of the council election result, the APHLC staged a dharna at Difu, saying that the election is illegal. If election is an illegal, then why did the party contest the election? Therefore, all these are nothing but an attempt to fool the people and reach the corridor of power by hook or by crook. Such is APHLC thirst for power and money. The Autonomous State Demand Committee would like to once again remind both APHLC and Congress that there is no second or third division unlike metric exams or silver and bronze medal of Olympic in electoral politics. Only first division have the count, and that all defeated candidates, including Congress, APHLC, and ASDC, have to start again from zero in the next election. And that those who secured second or third positions should not live in a full paradise. This is the reality of electoral politics. As a greenhorn in politics, the APHLC have to learn many things in electoral politics. The recent obtaining of votes by APHLC can be termed as a flag success. There is no guarantee that Nilutum Autonomous State Demand Committee ASDC party in pen Nanglitum Kadawe Media House of party. Nilutum welcome lo Lapen Langso press conference bangke derpro yasam nang naklo Kadawe take amlongke Stanilitum ateng bangke der delang Ate lake election kita tang council election assessment laso press conference seta kadu we ahok pet alam pachini ya pan nilik makor enang ko election result lang det pen amat dupit sta chok sta ahok berta long le deti pusini litu anutine bang putine pan lapane party penang tanatum phanta nilitum berta enang ko lahai kadu we paulum pet pensi nilitum opinion si abang sa press meet bangke nilitum bipin lo ase dak english pen nilitum a statement ki tok tu nilitum pori ko ase kadoe tame angkar judun ye phase nilitum chuning ri the refusal of both Congress and APHLC to have an electoral understanding in the recently concluded Karbenglong Autonomous Council election as proposed by the Autonomous State Demand Committee, ASDC, have catapulted the Bharatiya Janata Party to power in the council. It may be recalled that on the eve of the election, the Autonomous State Demand Committee have approached both these parties for putting a united fight against the BJP by putting aside all past differences for an effective and formidable fight to free the people from all kinds of exploitation perpetrated by the Saffron Party, but was shown a cold shoulder by the Congress and APHLC. Because of the blunder committed by both Congress and APHLC, even ASDC was made to pay the price. Both the parties appears to have been afflicted by the dynasty mania, as is reflected by the placing of candidates in the election. To cite an instance, when Jai Qatar himself is contesting from Singhasan constituency, his younger brother Jonathan Ingti Qatar contested from Rongkhang MAC constituency. Same is the case with Congress, where family and relatives of top Congress leaders were seen contesting from different consensus, while denying tickets to a number of genuine members. In the second place, the money and administrative power of the APHLC atum chini dunde staklang dak rodak. Na sineli tum bana arjun nang nelo nang lutu. APHLC leader ban le arjun damun. Arniwang ko pia kamsi tuliram rong hangalong ke dam lem denma. Jai ka tharaman. A photo dolo nang lutu. Neli dua photo pinia press conference pot paklang nai. Tuliram rong hang pen Jai kathar ka chitulia photo bang lenang lutu print pe paralong. Print ke dalong ka lapen electronic long ka lali paklang nang lalu isige. Ate pu abang ke non tribal apan voter list pen amen than et nai non tribal apan ke election thor pathor long le pusigi pu ka chipajar pu abang ke AJP pen a politics ideological di correct mala chokloma election thor the non tribal apan voter list pen amen than the tribal aso apan an separate voter list ave tiga bangani tum election thur thipu non ge election thur thekali election angele pen ka chithitu korte te election ke thur ke gi ka thar ke manvet congress atum phansi kai ka dynastic politics non ke APHLC ta dynastic politics dokolo lasi latum kapa chubai akan lok se ken 6 schedule am men pen karbiang longar radapan kacong thui langsung karbara bangsi langsung schema bangsi political schema bangsi langsung APHLC itu ki en